Just moments ago, astronomers detected something extraordinary in our solar system. The discovery has sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community, as telescopes around the world scramble to gather more data. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a new, massive object that wasn't there before. A glowing anomaly that suddenly appears, capturing the attention of stargazers and experts alike. This isn't just another asteroid or comet. This is a true giant, 100 times larger than any previous interstellar visitor. Its sheer scale dwarfs anything we've ever seen pass through our cosmic neighborhood. Provisionally named Ethel 2025, it's a wanderer from another star system, and its arrival is rewriting what we know about cosmic visitors. Scientists are already debating what secrets it might hold about the universe beyond our sun. Previous interstellar objects like Oumuamua and Borisov were small by comparison. Those objects, once thought remarkable, now seem tiny next to this new arrival. Ethel 2025 is so large, it challenges our theories about how such objects are ejected from their home systems. The forces required to launch something of this size into interstellar space are almost unimaginable. How could something this massive be flung into interstellar space? Was it the result of a colossal planetary collision? Or perhaps a close encounter with a giant planet that hurled it away at incredible speeds? Its size is staggering. Imagine a rock many times larger than Mount Everest, racing through space. If it were to pass close to Earth, it would be visible to the naked eye, a moving mountain among the stars. Detected by Pan-STARRS in Hawaii, its brightness and speed immediately set it apart. The observatory's instruments picked up its rapid movement, alerting astronomers to its unusual nature. It's moving too fast to be from our solar system, a true outsider. Its velocity alone tells us it was born far beyond the reach of our sun's gravity. What's even more astonishing is its trajectory. It's on a path that will bring it close to the remnants of another interstellar object, 3I Atlas. This rare alignment is something astronomers never expected to witness. The odds of two interstellar objects meeting in our solar system are astronomically low. It's a cosmic coincidence that defies probability, making this event even more remarkable. It's like two ships from distant lands passing in the middle of the ocean, each carrying stories from faraway places, briefly sharing the same stretch of cosmic sea. We're about to witness a cosmic encounter unlike anything before. The anticipation is building as scientists prepare to observe this rare meeting up close. The universe has set the stage for an unprecedented event, a meeting of giants against the backdrop of stars and planets. This is more than a discovery. It's a cosmic spectacle, a once-in-a-lifetime show that will captivate astronomers and the public alike. The show is just beginning. As the days pass, the object will grow brighter and more prominent, drawing the eyes of the world skyward. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of this colossal visitor. The universe has delivered a new chapter in our story, and we're only at the very first page. To truly understand this remarkable encounter, let's take a closer look at 3I Atlas, the so-called green ghost comet that was first discovered in 2019. This mysterious visitor from the depths of space quickly captured the imagination of astronomers and skywatchers alike. Atlas was only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected, making it an incredibly rare and pristine sample from another star system, untouched by our sun until now. As it approached the sun, Atlas developed a stunning, bright green coma, a glowing cloud of gas and dust that made it stand out against the darkness of space, captivating astronomers and amateur stargazers all over the world. Many hoped it would become a spectacular sight in our night sky, but just as it reached its brightest, the comet began to break apart unexpectedly, dashing those hopes. The intense heat from the sun proved too much for its fragile nucleus, shattering it into pieces and turning what was meant to be a dazzling spectacle into a quiet, disappointing fizzle. Yet, this dramatic breakup offered scientists a rare and valuable opportunity, a unique glimpse inside the heart of an interstellar comet, revealing secrets about its composition and structure. Now, the fragments of Atlas continue their lonely journey, drifting through the galaxy and destined to wander the vastness of space for millions, perhaps even billions, of years. The story of Atlas taught us something important. Interstellar comets may be far more fragile and delicate than the comets that originate within our own solar system. Now, the fading green ghost of Atlas is about to cross paths with another cosmic wanderer, Ethel 2025, setting the stage for a rare and fascinating encounter. Two ancient travelers from different corners of the universe, meeting by chance in our solar system. A fleeting moment in the endless dance of the cosmos. The discovery of Ethel 2025 began with a routine scan at Pan-STARRS, Hawaii. An object moving at incredible speed, on a hyperbolic orbit, triggered immediate global attention. Its size was shocking, far larger than any known comet. Within minutes, observatories worldwide joined the effort to track it. Data confirmed this was a dark, massive interstellar giant, racing through our solar system at over 150,000 kilometers per hour. The real surprise? Its path would intersect with the debris field of 3I Atlas. The odds of two interstellar objects meeting here are almost zero. Yet it's happening. The universe has orchestrated a cosmic rendezvous. Scientists everywhere are asking, is this pure chance or something more? To truly grasp the immense scale of Ethel 2025, let's compare it to some of the most familiar objects in our cosmic neighborhood. Only by seeing it alongside what we already know can we appreciate just how extraordinary this visitor is. Take Halley's Comet, for example. It's about 15 kilometers long, a legendary traveler in our solar system. But Ethel 2025 dwarfs it, stretching over 200 kilometers across, making Halley's Comet look minuscule by comparison. Imagine something the size of a small country, not just sitting on Earth, but hurtling through the vast emptiness of space at incredible speeds. That's the scale we're talking about. While it's still smaller than Ceres, the largest asteroid in our solar system, Ethel 2025 ranks among the biggest objects ever observed passing through our cosmic backyard. Its sheer size places it in a league of its own among interstellar visitors, but unlike Ceres, which has always belonged to our solar system, Ethel 2025 is an outsider, a mysterious visitor from another star, carrying secrets from far beyond our sun. Previous interstellar objects like Oumuamua and Borisov were tiny fragments by comparison. Ethel 2025 is in a completely different class. Its size and mass are unprecedented for an object from another star. In fact, its mass is thousands of times greater than Borisov, making it the most massive interstellar object we've ever detected passing through our solar system. For a star system to eject something this enormous, it would require a truly massive gravitational event, perhaps a catastrophic planetary collision, or the chaotic early days of a forming solar system. It's even possible that Ethel 2025 was flung out from a binary star system, where two suns orbit each other in a cosmic dance, hurling debris into the interstellar void. Whatever its origin, Ethel 2025 is a planetary-scale relic, a frozen time capsule from another world, now drifting through the galaxy. Its arrival offers scientists a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to study the raw building blocks of distant solar systems and perhaps even glimpse the processes that shape planets around other stars. This is more than just a rock passing by, it's a piece of galactic history, now within our reach. The implications for our understanding of the universe are truly staggering. What is Ethel 2025? The leading theory? It's a planetesimal, a planetary building block ejected from its home system. It could also be the core of a destroyed planet, stripped of its atmosphere and flung into space. Its dark surface and lack of a coma are puzzling. Could it be a fragment from a cataclysmic collision? Some even wonder, is it artificial? A probe or artifact from another civilization? While natural explanations are most likely, scientists are keeping an open mind, and every telescope is listening for signals just in case. The universe loves surprises. Imagine being the scientist who first saw the data. You expect another asteroid, but the numbers don't add up. This is something unprecedented. Adrenaline surges as you realize you're witnessing a cosmic event. Within hours, the global astronomy community mobilizes. Sleep is forgotten. Collaboration takes over. Every new observation adds to the puzzle. Debates rage. Is it rocky, icy, or something else. The excitement is palpable. This is the thrill of discovery. Scientists become our eyes and ears on the universe, sharing the awe of the unknown. Through them, we all stand at the edge of the cosmic ocean, watching a giant arrive. Why does this matter? ETHL 2025 is a physical piece of another solar system, a sample from a world we'll never visit. Studying it reveals the diversity of planetary ingredients across the galaxy. It's a reminder that our world is just one part of a vast, interconnected universe. These discoveries refine our planetary defense skills. Every interstellar visitor is a practice run for protecting Earth. But above all, it's about wonder. Events like this inspire curiosity, unity, and a sense of shared adventure. They remind us of our common humanity on this tiny blue dot. ETHL 2025 is more than a rock, it's a catalyst for imagination. The universe is speaking. Are we listening? The real work begins now. Hubble and James Webb will study ETHL 2025's surface and composition. Radio telescopes worldwide will listen for any signals, just in case it's more than a rock. The chance of artificial origin is slim, but science demands we check. The most ambitious idea? Sending a probe for a close-up look, a race against time as the object speeds through our solar system. Meanwhile, all eyes are on the upcoming encounter with the Atlas debris. Will ETHL 2025's gravity disturb the fragments? Could a collision reveal their secrets? This is a cosmic experiment, set up by the universe itself. Our instruments are ready to capture every moment. We're witnessing history in real time. ETHL 2025 forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Our solar system isn't an isolated island. Interstellar visitors prove the galaxy is dynamic and interconnected. The possibility of life traveling between stars, even on objects like this, is no longer just science fiction. Our technology now lets us spot and study these cosmic messengers in detail. We're living in a golden age of discovery, building a catalog of worlds from other stars. Each new visitor adds to the story of the universe. ETHL 2025 is a reminder that the cosmos is wilder and more mysterious than we ever imagined. And we're just getting started. The first page of a new chapter is turning. The universe is waiting for us to read on.